Thank you. Thank you very much, our leader. Kwankwaso. Thank you very much. Your Excellency, the leader of our party and former governor of Bayelsa State, distinguished Senator Dixon, the chairman of our party, Your Excellency, the former governor of Anambra State, with immense pleasure and a deep sense of fulfillment that I address you today on this historic occasion of the National Convention of our great party, the Nigeria Democratic Congress, NDC, here in Abuja. It's better here. Since we joined this party together with numerous stakeholders, millions of our supporters, and well-meaning Nigerians, the NDC has continued to attract quality members and ignite enthusiastic conversations among students and observers, both at home and abroad. What began as a bold movement is steadily becoming a formidable platform for national renewal. Ladies and gentlemen, Nigeria stands at a critical crossroads. The world is undergoing a profound geopolitical shift, yet our nation has been caught unprepared, largely because of poor leadership. Instead of positioning Nigeria to seize emerging opportunities, bad governance has left us bearing the brunt of global changes. We are witnessing a sharp decline in the quality of life. Insecurity has created widows and orphans across the land. Millions have been displaced from their homes. Investments are fleeing. Critical infrastructure is neglected. The education system is collapsing, and harsh economic policies have been imposed on students without meaningful safety nets or relief. Yet, Nigerian history teaches us that in our most challenging moments, visionary alliances have provided the way forward. For example, in 1954, a historic partnership was formed between the Northern Elements Progressive Union, NEPU, led by our mentor, Malam Aminu Kano, and the National Council of Nigeria and Cameroon, NCNC, led by Nnamdi Azikiwe, to achieve national unity. Again, in 1960, against steep odds, Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe's National Council of Nigeria and the Cameroon, NCNC, formed a coalition with the Northern People's Congress, MPC, to birth our independence. In the Second Republic, The alliance between Shehu Shagari and Alex Ekweme under the National Party of Nigeria, NPN, helped to restore civilian rule and national unity after years of military dictatorship. That as a loyal party member, I support the decision to join the presidential ticket of the NDC to the south. So that it allows the region to complete its turn in producing national leadership. This presents a true opportunity for true national heroes. We shall work in evidence with the parties' agreement to ensure fairness and federal character in all ramifications. This party shall ensure to change the way things are done today by prioritizing leadership without ethnic jingoism and religious favoritism. The leadership standard we shall set will therefore restore Nigeria's dignity and will guarantee that our citizens at home and diaspora will be treated with respect and dignity. Lastly, we can only achieve that by continuing to mobilize, to register as INEC to vote, and the NDC to belong to this noble cause. Please register now. Thank you. Long live Nigeria Democratic Congress. Long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria.